first canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 2, verse 6, it explains that devotional service has no material cause, therefore it cannot be checked by any material circumstances. It is open for all, without any distinction, and it's a constitutional occupation of the living entities. This is on page 47 of this chapter 5. So Rupa Goswami gives several quotes in this chapter from Padma Puran, Skanda Puran, Haribhakti, by quoting Skanda Puran, Padma Puran, and other Puran, that one can attain perfection in bhakti. And this perfection is open to all people equally, regardless of their birth. Now under the category of purity. Although a major prerequisite for other process of self-realization, purity is not a factor in determining our eligibility to perform bhakti. Now, like Gyan Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga, you must have a pure asan, and your body you must have bathed, wear a pure, clean cloth, and you must purify all your thoughts so you can meditate on Om. And there's lots of purity required. But in Bhakti Yoga, you can be clean clothes or unclean clothes, or clean body or unclean body, or clean mind or unclean mind. You just begin the process of bhakti by chanting and hearing and chanting Krishna's name in any position, in any state, and automatically it takes effect. And it says, even if a devotee falls down from the standard of purity, he need not undergo any separate process of purification, which is called prayaschitta, such as karma gyan. He simply he takes up devotional service immediately, and he becomes reinstated.